In today's digital age, robust security measures and protocols are more crucial than ever, as businesses, governments, and individuals increasingly rely on digital systems to conduct various activities. Understanding the current landscape of security measures and protocols helps us appreciate the complexity and necessity of these systems in our interconnected world. Section 1. Essential security measures. Encryption. One of the foundational elements of digital security is encryption, a method by which data is converted into a secure format to prevent unauthorized access. Encryption protects data whether it's in transit over the internet or stored on devices and servers. Modern encryption algorithms are designed to withstand decryption attempts by unauthorized users, providing a critical layer of security for everyday communications and transactions. Firewalls. Firewalls are another crucial security measure widely implemented across various platforms and networks. Firewalls monitor and regulate all network traffic based on pre-established security guidelines. They are indispensable in preventing unauthorized access to networks. Authentication protocols. Authentication protocols ensure that users are who they claim to be. While password-based authentication is the most common form, it is vulnerable to theft and hacking. More robust methods such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, and multi-factor authentication, MFA, add additional layers of security. These methods require users to provide two or more forms of identification, such as a password and a code sent via SMS or biometric verification. Regular updates and security patches. Regular updates and security patches are essential cybersecurity measures. Developers continually update software to fix vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. Network security protocols, such as intrusion detection systems and intrusion prevention systems, monitor network traffic for suspicious activity. Employee training and awareness. Equally important are employee training and awareness programs, educating employees about security best practices. Phishing schemes and social engineering attacks can significantly reduce the risk of human error, which is often a weak link in cybersecurity. Regular training sessions and simulated phishing attacks can help reinforce these practices and keep security top of mind for all employees. Section 2. Risks and recent data breaches. Sophisticated cyber attacks. The sophistication of cyber attackers has grown, using malware, phishing, and advanced persistent threats to infiltrate networks. Ransomware attacks, where hackers lock organizations out of their systems and demand a ransom to restore access, have become increasingly common. Such attacks compromise sensitive data, disrupt operations, and cause severe financial and reputational damage. Human error and insider threats. Human error and insider threats often pose significant risks. Employees might inadvertently expose data through negligence, such as falling for phishing scams or mismanaging access controls. In other cases, disgruntled or malicious employees might intentionally leak data. High-profile data breaches. Recent high-profile data breaches underscore these challenges. For example, a major credit reporting agency suffered a massive breach affecting millions of individuals. Hackers gained access to private data through a vulnerability in a web application, resulting in severe financial losses and widespread concern about privacy and data protection. Another significant incident involved a popular social media platform, where attackers exploited a feature in the platform's code to access user accounts, compromising personal information and raising questions about the adequacy of the platform's security measures. Legal and regulatory frameworks. Legal and regulatory frameworks play a crucial role in managing these risks. Regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in the European Union impose strict guidelines on data protection and privacy, requiring companies to adopt adequate security measures and promptly notify authorities about data breaches. Companies face substantial fines and reputational damage for non-compliance. Supply chain vulnerabilities. Another emerging risk is the vulnerability within supply chains. As businesses increasingly rely on third-party vendors and service providers, a breach in one of these partners can compromise the entire supply chain. Ensuring that all third-party partners adhere to robust security protocols and conducting regular audits can mitigate these risks. Section 3. Innovations in cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are among the most promising areas of cybersecurity innovation. These technologies can predict and identify threats faster than traditional methods by analyzing vast amounts of data from previous cyber attacks. AI systems enhance threat detection and speed up response times, potentially stopping attacks before they cause harm. Blockchain technology. Blockchain technology enhances the security of online transactions and data storage. Its decentralized nature means it has no single point of failure and is resistant to tampering, making it ideal for securing sensitive data. Blockchain is increasingly used in industries such as healthcare to secure patient records and financial services to ensure the integrity of transactions. Behavioral biometrics. Behavioral biometrics use unique behavior patterns, such as typing rhythms and mouse movements, to create continuous authentication that is difficult for others to replicate. This means that even if traditional security details like passwords are compromised, unauthorized users can still be blocked from accessing systems because they cannot mimic legitimate users' behavior. Advanced security protocols. With the proliferation of internet-connected devices, advanced security protocols are being developed to provide robust security regardless of the platform. These protocols ensure that security measures are flexible and adaptable to the needs of an interconnected ecosystem. Quantum cryptography. Quantum cryptography uses quantum mechanical principles to secure data in a virtually unbreakable way. This technology is particularly promising for securing highly sensitive data transmitted over long distances. Though still in its early stages, quantum cryptography could revolutionize how data is secured, offering new levels of protection against cyber threats. Cybersecurity as a Service, CSAS. Another innovative approach is Cybersecurity as a Service, CSAS, where companies outsource their cybersecurity needs to specialized service providers. This model allows businesses to benefit from advanced security technologies and expertise without significant upfront investments in infrastructure and personnel. CSAS providers offer comprehensive security solutions, including threat detection, incident response, and continuous monitoring. Section 4. Regulatory and ethical considerations. Compliance with laws. Regulatory considerations involve ensuring compliance with laws designed to protect public interests, including privacy, security, consumer protection, and environmental regulations. Laws like the GDPR set new benchmarks globally, requiring businesses to handle personal data with great care and transparency. Ethical guidelines. Ethical considerations address the moral implications of business and technological practices. Ethical guidelines in business are crucial for maintaining public trust and credibility. As companies leverage big data and AI to gain insights into consumer behavior, ethical questions arise about how this data should be used, especially in targeting vulnerable populations. Pace of technological change. One significant obstacle to implementing efficient regulatory and ethical frameworks is the pace of technological change. Technology often evolves faster than laws and regulations, making addressing new issues as they arise challenging. Regulators and policymakers must work closely with technologists and industry experts to develop flexible laws that can adapt to future changes. Global disparities. Global disparities in regulatory frameworks can create additional complexities. What is considered ethical or legal in one country may not be viewed similarly in another. This discrepancy can pose challenges for multinational corporations and global tech companies operating across different legal and cultural landscapes. AI and environmental considerations. Ensuring that AI systems operate ethically involves continuous monitoring and testing for biases and developing AI to complement human abilities and enhance societal welfare. Environmental considerations are also becoming increasingly prominent. Businesses are expected to operate in environmentally sustainable ways, with regulations mandating emissions reductions and the use of sustainable materials. Transparency and accountability. Transparency and accountability are critical components of ethical business practices. Companies must be transparent about their data collection and usage policies, and accountable for protecting user data. This includes providing clear information to consumers about how their data is used and ensuring that any data breaches are promptly addressed and reported. Advanced security measures are vital in today's digital age, forming the backbone of protection against cyber threats. As technology evolves, cybersecurity professionals must stay ahead of hackers, balancing innovation, compliance, and ethics. Robust cybersecurity is both a technical and moral imperative, requiring collaboration among technologists, regulators, and businesses.